Welcome back. This video is for educational purpose. Here I'm going to show you the last working version, which was 44. And we're going to be seeing that it's installed and actually working. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the latest version of the IDE. So you have to navigate to this site, right? And your ads, just navigate around it. So here we have multiple versions, the semi-automated versions with Windows, which I'll be showing you in depth. We have the manual method, and we have the full automation where you just install an executable and you're able to automate any of these tasks you want to, right? That's also available. But today I'll be showing you how to do the semi-automated version. You can see the manual version is actually a lot. I don't know what these people were thinking, messy hacks. I don't know what has that time, but if you're paranoid, you can go through with the manual method. The semi-automated version is what I've tested, and I'll be showing you how to do that. Remember, whatever you learn here is for educational purpose and use responsible. First, you have to sign out of the software. So you have to log out both on your browser and on the IDE, right? And the next thing is to close the cursor application completely. And then now we need to download the latest version of the executable, which you can always get from the site directly. As at the time of this video, the latest version that was working is 46. So in case you're watching after their newer versions and it doesn't work. So when it's done downloading, you have to launch it, open it when it's done launching, and then close, something like that. So the normal way you install, you just accept the agreement. After reading, click finish, normal steps. So yeah, we're just going to be opening it. And here I had the brilliant idea to show you that if you can notice, the interface is a bit different already. This is the latest version. I had a bright idea to show you that if you do not follow the steps, you would get the error that brought you to this video. So this is just me showing you that if you skip the remaining of the steps and just try to use it directly and sign in, right, you would get the errors. So yeah, you can see the error, too many free trials, right? Your trials ended and whatnot. So you have to, so this is the errors that actually brought us to the video, and this is just me recreating the problem because I've gotten some comments from some mentally challenged folks that said it would work either way. Anyway, the next thing, so I'm now going to be showing you how to take them from step 4 to 10 to resolve this error. So first thing you have to do is log out on your browser, log out on your IDE. After everything is logged out, then you have to then you have to download the PowerShell script. Now this is an important part. I know I said we do not want to install anything, but I'm not asking you to just run it blindly. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how you can actually use the help of AI, because not everybody understands the shell, right, language, how you can use the help of AI and understand what's happening in the script. So we're going to be taking the help of Copilot, yes, and we're going to be asking it to help us analyze what's up, right? what's happening here, what's the script doing. It's just the one page script. You know what's happening in the script, and we can see it's able to tell us that okay, this is what it does and whatnot. So I'm not asking anybody to just run anything blindly, right? Go through it, make sure you're safe. It's the internet, everybody has to be safe, right? So you can see it's telling us what it's doing, how it's able to, check if the ID is closed, find the parts for that needs to be edited, and do not forget to subscribe. A lot of you are not subscribed. If you're not subscribed, how will you know if there's a new update, right? Please do subscribe. At least we're not asking for anything when we bring these videos to you. The least you can do is subscribe. Please, it takes a lot to do these videos. So please encourage me with your subscription. And you see, it's from what we got, it's telling us, you see, it's told us what it's doing, and you can see that it's the same steps in the manual steps that the script is actually just helping you automate to make it easier, right? And you see, does it steal anything? Does it steal my data? Does it send something to an external server? Does it install ransomware or any, let's that's what AI is here to do for us, right? Help us. So ask it, right? And you too can also manually look at the script, look at what it's doing, and decide if you're running it or not. And yes, if you're paranoid and skeptical like me, you can as well always do the manual version. So now that we've been able to we confirm that the script is okay, we can just download a copy. You need to open PowerShell as an administrator. This is why I did not run the full automated method. Personally, I did not test the full automation, but from everybody in the community, they say it works, right? But because of this admin access, you need to run it as an admin. That's why I did not test that, and you have to, that's why I said we have to check the script before doing this. So you run as an admin, you run those commands that are there, right? You run the commands that were provided, and you might get this error. Now, when I did this on a different system, it worked without this error. So depends on where your system. If you get this error, it's a permission issue about the file being an unknown file, right? You can just create a new file with the same extension. It's just the PowerShell extension. Create a new file with the same extension and copy the content and paste it, save it, and run it. That is all. And if you have further errors trying to run the file, like I said, it's just one file. You can ask Copilot to help you, or ChatGPT, or any of the other guys, right? I tried this on a different system and I did not have to go through this step. I was able to run this file directly. But on this system, it was telling me about unknown source, right? The file was not signed. So it just depends on where you are running the solution. So you might have to do a good extra step. So you see, it checked if cursor was closed, and cursor was not closed. So it asked us if it should help us close cursor. I did not. I just closed cursor myself and said no, right? Do not help me close it, which actually terminated the process. So that terminated process. And then I tried running the script again this time since it's now closed. And because the cursor is already closed, it was able to run successfully. And it's as simple as that actually. In fact, I feel like this semi-automated method should be called the automated method. But because you still have to manually sign up, that's why we call it semi, right? I think that's what they mean by semi. Because the full one, I think that one does the sign up for you, right? So after you're done running the script, you have to open the IDE again. And this time, sign up and whatnot. So create an account. I didn't want to bore you guys with all that, so I just, and that's it. You can see we have all the latest features of Cursor AI, and we have the MCP. I tested it here and I got a high demand error, and I tried again when it was no longer peak hours after I was done shooting these videos, and it worked. And I think you can all confirm that these errors actually resolve themselves later. Please do not forget to subscribe. See you later.